This video is about how to download and install games into your DSi. First, you have to go to the website shown on the screen. Once you're there, there's a search box at the very top. Type in the name of the game you want to download. Now, a few of them would pop up with different versions. I choose the US version. Click on the pink button shown. Once that is done, a website will pop up. This website will show you a preview pictures of your game. Scroll down until you see a green button like this. Click it, and there you will actually download it. Scroll down until you find a few green buttons. Click any of these because they're just the same. Now you can download your file. Click open, and once that download is finished, you can now extract it using WinRAR or WinZip. Once you've extracted it, place it on a folder that you usually place for your DS games. This is to easily identify where they are located. This is my folder for all my games. After it's done extracting, it will be placed here. In this case, I'm using Dakomada. This is my DSi, while this is my Acekard. In there's a micro SD chip. I insert it inside the micro SD adapter. And then I insert it into the laptop. Once I've inserted it, there will be an autoplay. And under General Options, choose Open Folder to view files. These are the folders in my micro SD card. Inside games, I put the game I already downloaded. Then I paste it there. Once that is done, it's already in the micro SD card. After that, you can now insert the micro SD card back into your Acekard 2i, and then you can play your games. I hope this video helps, and I hope it doesn't bore you too much. Bye.